Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Ascent and Forester. The Ascent is a mid-size SUV, perfect for larger families, offering 3 rows and seating for up to 8 people. In contrast, the Forester is a compact SUV, providing 2 rows and comfortable seating for 5. The Ascent generally boasts a more powerful engine and greater towing capability, while the Forester is often favored for its better fuel economy and easier handling in urban environments. When it comes to performance, the Ascent is equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. The Forester, on the other hand, typically comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. This difference in power translates to towing capacity, with the Ascent capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds, while the Forester can tow up to 1,500 pounds. Inside, both vehicles offer practical and comfortable spaces. The Ascent, being larger, provides more overall passenger volume and up to 75.6 cubic feet of cargo space with its rear seats folded down. The Forester, while smaller, still offers a generous 74.7 cubic feet of cargo space with its rear seats folded. Both SUVs come standard with Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive and the comprehensive EyeSight driver assist technology suite, ensuring confidence and safety on various roads. Regarding fuel economy, the Forester typically outperforms the Ascent, offering better miles per gallon, especially in city driving. The Ascent, however, provides superior passenger and cargo space, making it a strong contender for those needing to transport more people or gear. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities, whether it's maximum seating and towing or greater fuel efficiency. For easy meal prep solutions, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.